A major veterans bill moving through Congress would do more than expand health and care benefits. Supporters say it could also change the lives of Gold Star families and the caregivers who support America's wounded veterans. Leila Cox joins us in studio with a closer look at two of the proposals included in the Take Care of America's Veterans Act. Leila.
Yeah, Madison, when people think about veteran legislation, they often think about health care or disability benefits. But lawmakers say this package also recognizes the sacrifices made by the families who serve alongside them. The Take Care of America's Veterans Act brings together more than 60 bipartisan bills into one comprehensive legislative package, including two provisions supporters say have been years in the making. One of them is the Love Lives On Act. It would allow surviving spouses of fallen service members to remarry without losing their survivor benefits. Congresswoman Jen Kiggin says she decided to co-sponsor the bill and support this measure after hearing directly from families in Hampton Roads.
We saw a lot of them just postponing marriage and future relationships because they were worried about losing their benefits, and that wasn't right. So we co-sponsored that legislation.
Retired Navy SEAL Jason Redman agrees. He tells 13 News Now the change would honor the sacrifice of both the fallen and the families they left behind.
Many of my friends, teammates that died, their wives, if they remarry, they lose all their benefits for their kids and for themselves. So this would eliminate that. This would allow our Gold Stars to remarry but still receive the benefits.
The bill also expands support for the people caring for severely wounded veterans. Kiggins, a geriatric nurse practitioner, says that was one of her priorities.
A big piece in there for caregivers and caregiver support that extends 6 months after the passing of the veteran. It's important to me as a nurse practitioner. I understand caregiver challenges specifically, and I want to take care of that group of people who is taking care of our veterans.
Redmond says that support is long overdue for many families caring for the nation's most severely wounded heroes.
The caregivers and the amount of impact on them is astronomical.
Another provision in the Take Care of America's Veterans Act is the Major Richard Starr Act. It allows eligible medically retired combat veterans to receive both their military and retirement pay and VA disability benefits. Leila Cox, 13 News Now.
Okay, thank you, Leila. And the House is expected to vote on the bill next week.